Hi, and welcome to Watercolor Lessons with Kathy. I'm Kathy Nichols, and I'm a lifelong artist, painter, and teacher. I help students of all ages tap their creativity with watercolor. Watercolor is a great way to express yourself, and it's easy to get started and do. I hope you join me to have fun learning how to paint with watercolor. I can't wait to see your paintings. Today, we'll visit with a first-time ever watercolor student, my husband John. We thought it would be fun and interesting to see how an absolute beginner does following our lessons. My teaching method is to coach you to paint a picture in your first lesson. This method has worked with my students from all ages and all walks of life.
I loaded the first lesson on my iPad and set it up where I could see and reach it easily. I followed along in real time, sometimes using YouTube controls to pause, rewind, and repeat at slow speed if necessary. That's great for self-paced learning. I had fun trying different brushes and techniques, like blotting with a paper towel and using washes to spread and blend colors. Drying sets the paint and gives you time to ponder your next steps. I discovered that watercolor is very forgiving. This was fun. Not bad for a first painting, if I do say so myself.